Welcome back, Boogey Lights fans. Today, we're going to introduce you to our new RGB WW LED light strips. One question we often get is, do we offer a light series that produces a softer, warmer white look instead of the super bright, cool white look? The short answer up until now has been no. However, with our new RGB WW light series, that's all about to change. The technology used in our new RGB WW LED light strips are a game changer. Let's take a closer look. Our standard multicolor LED strips are based on an RGB LED chip. Inside each of these RGB LED chips are 3 light-emitting diodes, one red, one green, and one blue diode, hence the name RGB. When equal amounts of red, green, and blue are mixed together, the result is a bright white. It has a bluish tint to it. This bright white color is great when you want to illuminate a large area. However, it can be overpowering at times where you might want a softer, warmer white, closer to the look of a candlelight, which has an orangish, yellowish look. With standard RGB LED chips, this warmer white color isn't possible. Now, however, with the RGB WW LED chip, it is. An RGB WW LED chip contains 5 diodes, one red, one green, one blue, one warm white, and one cool white. It's the addition of these 2 variations of white diodes that makes the difference. The RGB WW LED chip will not only produce all the same colors as the standard 3-diode RGB LED chip, it can also produce warm white, neutral white, and cool white. For example, here's what a warm white looks like. Now as we add in the cool white diode, you can see how the shade of white changes from warm to cool and becomes brighter. But it gets even better. By mixing the warm white and cool white diodes with the RGB diodes, it's possible to create additional variations of RGB light combinations. For example, you create softer shades of red that aren't possible with the standard RGB LED chip. Also, by mixing equal parts of red, green, and blue with the warm white diode and cool white diode, you can produce an incredibly bright white light not possible with the standard RGB LED chip. So now that you can choose from a wide range of color temperature and brightness, we also added an additional 2 levels of dimming to our dimming feature. Our new RGB WW LED strip now includes 9 dimming modes versus the 7 that are included in our standard RGB LED strips. This allows for you to tailor the brightness of your lights to whatever atmosphere you'd like to create. And there you have it, folks. For more information on our new RGB WW LED light series, please visit our website at www.boogielights.com or call 800-847-1359 to talk to a representative today. Thanks for watching. Light 'em up and travel safe.